Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to check where your Windows 11 files are if your C drive is full. So first thing you're going to want to do is go down to your File Explorer and then go to this PC and verify that your storage is full. See, I've only got 77 gigabytes free of my 240 gigabyte solid state drive. So next you're going to want to go to this website. I have the link down in the description below, and you're going to want to go to the downloads. And then once you are on the downloads, just pick one of the official download mirrors. Download, and here it is. So once you've run that, click on yes to have it allow access, accept, and install. And now once it's installed, you can run it, and then you want to select the drive that you want to check. So individual drives for me, I just want to check my C drive, and now it's going to give me a list of all my files on my computer and tell me exactly where all my storage is going. So just wait for it to complete. For me, it shouldn't take too long because I'm on a solid state drive. Feel free to skip this section. Once this is done, you'll see a map. Okay, so now that you have this finished, you can actually see what is taking up majority of your files. So for me, this huge block right here, it tells me exactly what it is. Down here at the bottom, it says C users Chris app data local 5M, and that is this huge chunk of data right here. It'll also, once you click on it, it'll give it to you up here so you can delete it if you want to. So right here, if I clicked 5M, there it is. It's that giant chunk, so it's taking up all that space. So if I want to clear out some storage on my computer, all I need to go is here, right click, delete, no way to delete, and I right click to get that menu. So I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.